Hi, I'm Owen Darbishire. I'm a professor at the Side Business School in Oxford. I'm also a fellow at Pembroke College and the academic director of the Oxford Programme on Negotiations. And I've been a faculty member here for well over 20 years now.
Hi, I'm Giuseppe Conti. I'm the founder of Conti Advanced Business Learning and a lecturer at a number of leading business schools on negotiation and influencing. I also have 25 years of business experience. Owen, describe me how you like to combine academic research with business life.
I'm really interested in the practical effects of academic research and how people actually behave in real organizations and the context and the situation in which they find themselves. So I spend a lot of time working very, very closely with business executives to try to help them improve the quality of the decisions that they make, both in terms of the process that they use for those decisions, so they can maximize the impact of the persuasion and influence that they have on others, both internally to the organization and externally.
Owen and I will be co-teaching a masterclass on influence and persuasion. Join us in Geneva to get some additional insights on this topic.
We look forward to seeing you there.